In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a high quality video on TikTok, okay? As usual in this channel, we just dive right into the content without wasting your time. Open the TikTok app. Now, here at the bottom, you will see the plus button. This is the button that you use to upload videos. Just tap on it gently. Then, you can either record the video using the red button, or you can upload the video that already exists in your phone. We are going to record the video. We are going to upload the video that already exists in our phone. Now click on the button with the photo icon here. This button here to the right. Then locate the video that you want to upload. We'll choose this video. Then we are going to click on select at the top there. Then click next. Then click next, or you can add some text and everything by clicking on this arrow down button. Then click next. After doing that, click on the more options button. Then make sure that you toggle this one, allow high quality uploads. Make sure that it's checked to the right here. This will allow you to upload video of very high quality on TikTok. You can add the description of your video and hashtags and everything. Then click post. When you click on this post button, the video will be uploaded in very high quality on TikTok. Then by doing this, people will be able to find your video and interact with it effectively. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.